My name is Sayyidatika Sultana, Assistant Professor in Department of ECE at Narayana Engineering College, Nellore. Let us discuss about digital circuits. What is meant by a digital circuit? A digital circuit, which is an electronic circuit that processes and transmits the data in binary form, that is either 0 or 1. These digital circuits are consisting of two types. One is a combinational circuit and another one is a sequential circuit. Let us know about combinational and sequential circuit. See here, this combinational circuit, there the present output depends upon present input only. Present output depends only on the present input, that is a combinational circuit. And sequential circuit, the present output depends upon present input as well as past input. Present input and past input. That is a sequential circuit. Let us now learn about combinational